All my accounts are going to, or are they suspended or going to be suspended? I don't know. I want to start. What should I do? I have a new internet, a new laptop, new email, new payment method. Will this work? I don't know. I don't know what was the problem beforehand. If you are violating Google's policies, you will get suspended time and time and time again. So don't try to be, I'm not personally saying this to you, but in general terms, don't try to be clever. Don't try to outsmart Google. Don't try to think, oh, I'm going to do a new IP or get a new IP, get a new payment and do this and that. They know more about us than we know about ourselves now. So follow Google's guidelines. If there are any policy violations, speak with them. They will help you and unsuspend your accounts.